Imagine a land where vibrant traditions and a turbulent history collide. A place where every street corner tells a story of resilience and hope. Welcome to Vietnam, a country where the echoes of the past dance with the rhythms of the present. Let's uncover the heart of this extraordinary nation, from the bustling streets of Hanoi to the serene beauty of Ninh Binh, Long Bay and Sapa. Let's follow my local tips to discover the hidden gems and experience northern Vietnam like never before. Our adventure kicks off in Hanoi, the bustling capital of Vietnam. Picture this: busy streets, the aroma of street food wafting through the air, and a blend of old-world charm and modern vibes. Hanoi isn't just about the hustle and bustle. Take a moment to unwind at Hoàn Kim Lake, where Emperor Lê Lợi returned a magical sword to the Golden Turtle God after defeating China's Ming Dynasty. Nowadays, you can see a preserved specimen of a giant turtle that is 900 years old in Ngọc Sơn Temple. According to Vietnamese belief, the four sacred animals include the dragon, unicorn, tortoise, and phoenix, symbolizing power, intellect, longevity, and nobility. For this meaning, these animals have been seen in many architectural works in Vietnam. Another exciting place to check out in Hanoi is the Old Quarter, famous for its 36 streets. These streets were named after the type of goods traded there, and many still reflect their historical roots today. Like I said, I'm gonna show you a bunch of good food besides pho, and no visit to Hanoi is complete without trying bún chả, not bun cha. This is the iconic dish of Hanoi with grilled pork served with sweet and sour soup and vermicelli. One of my favorite places to eat bún chả is bún chả Hàng Quạt because it's hidden in a small alley, and you can see the process of making this delicious dish. I also included many local places to eat in my Ultimate Vietnam Guidebook. I'll leave the link in the description box below so you can check it out. Oh, also, don't forget to try bia hơi, a fresh beer that is sometimes cheaper than water. Okay, real quick, before moving on to the next destination, I just want to share with you guys a tour that helped me plan my northern Vietnam trip smoothly. Surfshark VPN, who is also our sponsor for today's video. Surfshark VPN helped me protect my personal information online. So for example, when I searched where to travel in Vietnam, Surfshark Search gave me organic browsing results without any ads or trackers. It even changed my IP address so that scammers will not know my exact location. Also, if they identify any sneaky viruses, malware, or intrusive app, Surfshark anti-program will be activated to secure my data online. What I love the most about Surfshark is that it offers unlimited simultaneous connections with multiple devices and is one of the lowest prices in the market. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact them because they have 24/7 live support and with 30-day guarantee money back. Use my code PHO, PHO for 4 months for free, and I'll leave the link in the description box below so you can check it out. Our next destination is Ninh Binh, often called Long Bay on land. One of its most unique features is the ancient capital of Hoa Lu, which was Vietnam's first capital from 968 to 1009. Here, you can ride a bike, explore the beautiful city, and see mountain goats. Or you can hop on a boat to explore Chang An, a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its stunning karst formations and intricate network of waterways. Fun fact, Chang An's exceptional beauty has made it to a filming location for the movie Kong Skull Island. Sitting in the boat, you can explore ancient temples, lush greenery, and magnificent limestone caves. If you travel during the heavy rainy months, July to September, the water can get pretty high. The way to enter the cave is more narrow, and there's a lot of dripping water in the cave. But exploring Ninh Binh this way is a lot of fun.
Oh my god. Oh, stop that! You guys are okay? You survived? You survived?
Still alive.
You're still alive? It's good.
Lucky.
The best time to see the rice paddies is between May and June. And if you want to see the lotus flower, Vietnam's national flower, you should visit Ninh Binh in July. Do you know what animal is that? It's called mallard, also known as le le in Vietnamese. For panoramic views of Ninh Binh, head over to Hang Múa, the dancing cave. Legend has it that Emperor Trần Thái Tông used to watch dance performances at this site, which led to the name Hang Múa or dancing cave. Climb the 500 steps to the top of the viewpoint and be rewarded with a stunning vista of the Tam Cốc Valley and its picturesque rivers and rice fields. The view is worth every step. Plus, you can tell some people hand walked to the top, and they took their dogs too. It's a bit of a hike, so make sure you bring water and wear comfortable hiking shoes. On your way out, you can see these sculptures, the characters in a famous movie about the journey of a monk and his 3 disciples from China to India to retrieve the Buddhist scriptures. Comment down below if you know the name of the movie. Only 3.5 hours on the car ride from Ha Long Bay on land to the real Ha Long Bay, which is located on the west coast of the Gulf of Tonkin. Local legends tell of a dragon descending from the sky and creating the bay's dramatic landscapes by thrashing its tail, which caused the sea to rise and form the bay's iconic islands and islets. That's why the name Ha Long means the descending dragon. You will be impressed with emerald waters dotted with more than 2,000 limestone islands and floating fishing villages. It's like stepping into a fairy tale. If you're very lucky, you can see dolphins swimming near the caves or linger on the cliff. It's very hard to see them because their color blends with their karst limestone habitat. Ha Long Bay is an ideal place to release stress because you will be entertained with many activities such as cooking classes, mini golf, a jacuzzi, a water slide, please ignore my scream, and many, many more. What I love the most to do in Ha Long Bay is to enjoy delicious seafood feast on board with a magnificent view. I made a whole video about my 2-day, 1-night experience on a luxury cruise. You can check it out in this video right here. Next, we're heading to the stunning highlands of Sapa, where lush rice terraces and mist-covered mountains create a scene from a postcard. It's truly a paradise for trekkers and nature lovers. The highlight of my Sapa trip is to trek through the bamboo forest. The tranquility and beauty here are truly unmatched. The time that we went was a rainy season, so I highly recommend visiting Sapa in September when the rice terraces are at their most splendid, or you can go in April or May when the weather is ideal and skies are clear. Sapa is also the home of many ethnic minority groups, so make sure you visit the local hill tribes and participate in the batik workshop. For the Hmong people of Sapa, this art form is not just a craft, it's a vital part of their cultural identity and heritage. Each design tells a story, often reflects their beliefs, daily life, and the natural world. Plus, their handmade crafts make for incredible souvenirs. Their colorful traditional attire and warm hospitality make my journey very unique. Another unforgettable experience is staying in the bamboo house and eating with locals. That way, you not only learn about their culture and support community-based tourism, but you can also taste their traditional food such as bánh hạt dẻ, chestnut cake, thịt lợn nướng, grilled meat, rau dớn, wild vegetable, and many other delicious dishes. And that's a wrap for our Northern Vietnam adventure. If you enjoyed this virtual tour, give me a thumbs up, subscribe for more adventures, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on my following travel videos. See you soon in Vietnam. Bye!